guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and we are going to be looking at a My Lead Gen Secrets review. Today is a special video specifically for all of you guys who are watching my journey with My Lead Gen Secrets first and foremost. Secondly, for the people who are returning to the channel to get some training, this is going to be an important video for you guys as well. And if you're just new to My Lead Gen Secrets, I think this is going to be useful as well for you. So stay tuned for what I have to share with you. Guys, welcome to the channel. As I said, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. This channel is all about tips that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. It's about affiliate marketing, it's about trading, it's about so many other things that I can share with you. But basically, I've created this channel to document my journey of doing $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. More than that, everything for you starting from scratch and the tools that I'm using, the strategies that I'm using to help you along the way. And out of which I personally have a 9-to-5 job, so I use My Lead Gen Secrets as my main traffic source to start to generate income and cash flow so that I can invest into my business once again and buy better traffic. That's personally how I do this. Let me go ahead, share with you the formula and get into the training. Okay guys, I'm here on my screen and I just wanted to share with you this page before I go ahead. But before I say anything else, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I would suggest hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, and comment below. Let me know how you like these videos, because I'm going to be adding many more videos to come. These Mondays are dedicated to My Lead Gen Secrets and this strategy, so you will get a lot of information as we go along. I share about my journey, monthly results, everything. So make sure that you do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any videos as well for the future videos that I do post. Now, I don't do daily content. I do every Monday on My Lead Gen Secrets just because I post 3 times a week, and you can find everything in this channel. In fact, I do also have a playlist in the description which goes to a lot of videos, a lot of training for My Lead Gen Secrets. So if you're interested in that, if you're watching this, feel free to binge watch the entire playlist, because I know people like to do that. And if you do that, it's going to be definitely beneficial to me. I'm very happy and thankful for you guys to do that. But this is also something that will be useful for you. So I want to share with you, first and foremost, what is My Lead Gen Secrets? My Lead Gen Secrets is, as I call it, it solves 2 problems. First and foremost, it is a product that gives you 100 to 200 leads every day. So what are you buying? What are you purchasing? You're purchasing 100 to 200 leads every day. You're not purchasing results. You're not purchasing sales. You're not purchasing buyers. You're purchasing people, leads, email addresses, contacts of 100 to 200 every single day from specific vendors. So you have people who are out there who are generating these leads and they're sharing it with My Lead Gen Secrets. And how you can utilize it is that you basically are sending out an email every single day to these leads. And if you do get sales in your business, great, that's perfect. If you want to get views on your YouTube channel, you can use it for that. If you want to use it for whatever you do, that's up to you. Now, obviously, I use it for my affiliate marketing journey. These leads are specific to Make Money Online, the Make Money Online niche, the crypto niche, if I'm not mistaken, and a few others. Primarily, they are for Make Money Online niche. That's where I am focused on. So I use it as my primary traffic source. So I bought this product. Let me put it this way. I bought this product. I've spent money on a monthly basis for this product because it eliminates 2 problems for me. The first problem, as an affiliate marketer, we are focused on advertising. We're focused on bringing people to a sales process. So that's the first thing. This eliminates my time of creating content, of spending so many hours to create that content and generate these 100 leads every single day. Because to generate 100 leads every single day, it does take time and effort. It takes skill, or sometimes it takes money. But in order for you to do that, you need to have the skill set. So if you don't, this eliminates that problem itself. So it takes care of the advertising. It's giving you basically 100 leads where you can advertise to every single day. Secondly, it is also giving you a platform where you can email these leads every day, which means you're focusing on email marketing. And I personally have a specific strategy with ChatGPT that I use to make sure that I'm learning and developing my email skills through this platform, getting sales, and then using it in my own business, using it in my own on my own email list, right? Not on other people's email list. So this is something that is generating me 2 skill sets that are very essential for your affiliate marketing journey. That's personally why I use it. Brief overview of how much it costs. It costs $30 per month. So it costs $1 per day to have My Lead Gen Secrets. And it will also be a $30 sign up fee or getting started fee, whatever you want to call it, setup fee is there. So the first month will be $60, and then every single that month after that will be $30 a month. So that's the overview of the cost. Now let me go ahead and share with you my personal formula or strategy. So I have, in my journey to $1,000 or more, this is the only strategy that I'm following. Obviously, as we go to higher levels or higher income levels, the second and there will be a third step and a fourth step, but for now, if you're just getting started, there are only 2 steps. And this is focused specifically on step 1, which is creating cash flow. The key element here is creating cash flow, and that's what I'm doing with my Legion Secrets. So I'm because I have a 9 to 5 job, because I don't have time to do everything, I basically pay a minor amount, $30 every single month, for my Legion Secrets to supply me with those 100 to 200 leads every day. I send an email out every day to from my Legion Secrets to an offer, and if I get buyers to that offer, I make a sale, and that money then I recycle and I put it back into my business. So that's personally how I'm doing it. But I'm using my Legion Secrets as a primary traffic source. So I'm using it as a product itself. It is my primary traffic source, and I am enjoying it. There are buyers on the list. Everything else, I'm not going to go through it because I have the monthly reviews. You can check those out in the playlist below. So that is what my Legion Secrets is. That is the whole formula that I use to get results. I did basically send out an email every single day, guys, Monday to Sunday. Like every single day I send out an email with an offer. I stick to one offer. I don't change offers and stuff like that. I stick to one offer, and I'm getting consistent sales. This is generating me around $250 to $300 every single month, just doing this one step alone. Let me go into my Legion Secrets back office. So let me log in and we will just get in a second. Perfect, guys. So I'm logged into my Legion Secrets, and in today's video specifically, I wanted to talk about basically a platform overview so that you see the offer, you see my Legion Secrets, and I'm going to talk about some specific elements which I know a lot of people have been asking questions on my channel about. So I want to make sure that I do cover them, things that are not usually said. So let's do an overview of the platform from this page. By the way, guys, if you're interested in joining my Legion Secrets as a traffic source and following this strategy or using it to get 100 leads every single day, the link is in the description of this video. Feel free to click on it. It'll send you to this page, and on this page, as you can see right here, first and foremost, it shows a video of the income potential that my Legion Secrets can get you. Secondly, it tells you the price of my Legion Secrets itself, and that you can use these to also build. It gives you 100 leads every day, as you can see right here. And it also gives you the potential to earn $5 per month as a residual income, basically from people who join under you. And every 5 customers that you get a bonus of $100. So if you focus on getting 5 customers every single week, every 7 days, basically, you get a $100 bonus on that. So not only are you additionally creating $25 a month for yourself, but you're also getting a $100 bonus every week. So you can potentially earn $125 every single week just from doing this, and it creates a consistent income, right? So you can get paid by check, PayPal, or Bitcoin. Now, obviously, there is a whole levels of how you can earn, and it's very simple actually. So first level is $5, second is 4, 3, 2, 1. So the fifth level is $1 per month from that member. So that's how it's divided. It's done really well, in my opinion, and it's been working since 2000, and I don't know when, 2016, it was 17, it was 18 or 19, I don't remember when it started, but it's been quite a few number of years that this platform is available. So it's not like something that just got started yesterday. Yeah, the price is here, as I mentioned, everything is right here, and then this is some proof about the results that you can see right here. And if you go to the Facebook group, you can see a lot of my own results in the Facebook group that are available, so feel free to also check that out. Now, when you join, you basically, this is your back office of my Legion Secrets. I'm going to go through these tabs very quickly. First and foremost, when you come to your account, you will see basically a quick start overview. I highly suggest to watch this quick start overview, and if you have any questions or from the support, you can ask questions right here. And that's something that I also suggest to do. If you click on affiliate program, it'll basically take you to the affiliate program right here, promo tools, which will have different pages. It'll give you the compensation plan. It'll tell you everything related to the weekly superstar bonuses, to the extra bonuses that you want, and everything else. That's all here on this page. So as an affiliate, I'm not going to be talking about this as an affiliate. I'm going to be talking about it from the traffic perspective. So what does my Legion Secrets give you? If you get at least one referral, you are getting a bonus of 100 leads every single day. So what they do is they have partners who supply them with traffic, and they get more than 100 leads every day actually. but they're giving you just 100 leads. And if you do decide to refer somebody, now that 100 leads is becoming 200 leads every day. And so they're dripping you that traffic, they're dripping you, giving you just a limited amount. Now imagine if somebody joins this and doesn't use it. So they do it for a certain amount of time that you are in the platform. And the maximum amount of leads that you can have on My Lead Gen Secrets with one account is 200,000, approximately 200,000 or 200,000, 220,000 leads, if I'm not mistaken, you can email. So once you hit that 200,000 leads, which will take you a few years, okay, to reach that 200,000 leads, then they'll stop sending it to you, because otherwise it just becomes crazy. And in order for you will be able to send only to those 200,000. So there's a maximum threshold of 200,000 plus leads. Okay, 220 leads. 220,000 leads. That's the maximum amount that you can have. So there's a lot that you need. There's a lot of time that's needed for you to reach there, and it will take you some time to reach that. So that's the maximum threshold that you have. Then there is besides that, there is another threshold that you have, which is 9,000 leads or subscribers. This threshold exists for two reasons. Firstly, it exists because you have sometimes people who join My Lead Gen Secrets who don't use the platform, so they just accumulate and they reach that 9,000. So they'll basically, what it says is that you will not get more. You will keep getting fresh leads, but you'll be able to send only to 9,000 people. That's it. Now this is a good threshold to have, in my opinion, for two reasons. One is sending 9,000 leads, sending an email to 9,000 people every day is crazy in the first place. That's something to think about. Secondly, 9,000 people, the leads, the way it works is that you have this threshold. So basically the maximum amount of the maximum amount of leads that you can select is 9,000. You can lift this limit. Let me put it this way. You can lift this limit by emailing support and telling support that you want to lift this limit. And then you will be able to do, instead, for example, in my case, if I go to mailing system, you'll see right here that I have 24,100 leads. I do not send to 24,100 leads. If I click on this, it selects only 9,000, and I send to 9,000 people every day. I do not send to all of these. And you can see these are basically leads from my first day that I got started till the 27th of May. So I'm not sending any up since the 27th of May. Basically, these 200 leads, I'm not getting any. Whoever joined me on the 27th of May now in July are not getting my emails because they're not included in the list, but the newer ones are included in the list. So basically what this does is that it only includes the newer ones. And if you can see, 27th of May basically means that it's about 3 months, 27th of May to 27th of June. So yeah, 2.5 months, 2.5 months basically, or one and a half month actually, are the leads that I'm sending. 1.5 months, which is quite good to have, in the sense that I'm only sending to fresh people. So people are staying on my list for about 1.5 to almost 2 months, and then they're not getting any more emails. So every person who I do send, they're not, I'm building a relationship with them. I can continue to build a relationship with them. I can lift this, but I've seen better open rates by having this 9,000 threshold there. If I increase that 9,000 threshold, what will happen is, if I look at my statistics, I will have lower open rates. And already you can see, like, it's, it depends. Some days I'm already getting this. Last week I have to figure out, I've done some mistakes of not been paying attention to certain things, but I've got some lower open rates. Usually it's almost 2,000 people from the 9,000 people that open. So for example, this had got 20% open rate, which is amazing to have. It's really amazing to have 20% open rate, but it usually averages out to 10 to 20%. So around 1,000 people every single time. Every 9,000 people that I send, 1,000 people open my emails. Quite a good achievement. In some cases it's more, in some cases it's less, but my aim is still to have at least 1,000 people. Okay, so this is something that the open rates stay the same, are better. The clicks remain better as well. So this is something that is really important to check, that the clicks are also at a high rate. So clicks to open is good, and then the clicks to send is also good. So for example, this converted around 4%. Wow, that is something to look forward to, because this is not a high quality traffic source. This is a medium to low ticket traffic source. So that's why I'm focusing on getting better open rates. Now, if I send to all 24,000, these open rates are going to be much lower, obviously, because the number of people are higher and the number of people are opening are lower. Now, I emulate what I would do as an affiliate marketer. So what I would do as an affiliate marketer with all these leads is I would clean my emails. I would clean my list. If it was my own list, I would clean. Basically, I would say, if you're not interested, if you're not actually doing anything on my list, if you're not opening the emails, then bye-bye, go away, because I only want people who open and click on my emails to stay on my email list. So I clean my list every 2 to 3 weeks. Now I cannot do that with my lead gen secrets. Because I cannot do that with my lead gen secrets, I'm keeping the 9,000 threshold, because I know that it's only new people that are getting it, not the old people. The old people are there and they're not going away. And once I hit the 200,000 threshold of having at least 200,000 leads, then I will request most probably support to lift this 9,000 email sending threshold, and I will send to 2,000 until that list basically gets exhausted for me and it makes sense for me to open a new account. But for now, I'm just keeping it as is and having this threshold there. So these are things that are not said so much and not discussed so much, but this is the 9,000 and the 2,000 threshold, 200,000 and 220,000 threshold. This is what I wanted to speak about specifically in this video, because at least you understand it. So that's one thing. All the leads are stored here, guys, so you can download, you can clean. I personally don't think it makes sense for you to do that, because it's on the platform. Use the platform itself. Yes, you cannot emulate exactly what you would do in your own email list in terms of cleaning. In terms of emailing, you can, but in terms of cleaning, you cannot, just to give you guys an idea. But that's where your leads are stored, so you can see all your leads, and if you want to view them, you can actually view them right here. So then you can see the sales if they're connected, or of any kind of things like that, if you want to see that corresponds with your product. Then you have the master email swipes that are there. I personally don't have it, but you can purchase it if you want. The mailing system, this is the most important one. Just to give you a highlight over here, you can choose via lead partner. So you have 10 lead partners right here, and you can choose which one you want to send to. Pretty much all of them have 900 leads that I've got from them. So you can choose either let's only send to partner 1, let's only send to partner 2. This is another way that you can do it in order to like have the balance of just not only 9,000, but let's say you select partner 1, partner 2, partner 3, partner 4, partner 5, and partner 6, partner 7, partner 8, partner 9. Oh, okay, so all of these are only 900. So you will only get these. Select 9,000 from 9,000. So you can only do 9,000. If you increase this limit, this will change. Otherwise, you will just see 900 from each of them. But this is per partner. And then this is per date that you can see right here. I really just focus on date. That's all I do. Okay, so as I was mentioning, you can click on these to select all the emails that you want. I always send from myself, just because that way I'm creating a relationship with the leads. They know my name. And I also talk about this in the strategy, that how you write your email. Then all the saved emails are here. Subject of the email is here. You can use these. Basically, this is the place that you are the most. The second is your statistics, where you can see right here all the emails that you've sent, at least 10 pages of the emails that you've sent. Then you have the affiliate section, which will basically give you an idea of what the different affiliate things I already mentioned, and then where to advertise in case you want to promote My Legion Secrets itself. So this is just the account overview that I wanted to give you. Obviously, in the account settings right here, you can click on profile, and you need to set up your payment options and everything right here in your profile. So I hope this overview gave you an idea what's happening. I hope it also gave you a good training on what the thresholds are, so you can have up to 220,000 leads, and then that's it. And then if you want a new account, you buy a new account, you can close this old account, I guess, and then just use the new account. It's really up to you, but obviously know that it does take momentum to be built. So in the new account, you need to wait at least a month or 2 months for you to build momentum with your leads to get the same results that you were getting maybe from your first account. Just something to keep in mind. But that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button and comment below and let me know if you have any other questions. I'm here to help. I'm here to answer all of them. Obviously, if you want to follow the strategy, all the playlists are in the description of this video. And you can find how to get $1,000 per month playlist also on my channel. So hit that subscribe button, bell notification, go to the playlist and watch it there if you want to follow along or just be a part of that journey. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.